clotheslined my bike. I went Superman over the handlebars, bruised up the whole side of my body, my left side of my body. I almost broke my hip, but I just have a really bad bruise in my hip. So on Mother's Day, I was delivering for Uber Eats, and it sent me down this alleyway, and there was a rope stretched across the alleyway. It was only a few inches off the ground, and so I didn't see it. I was looking at my GPS, but it wasn't high enough to be visible. Like if you were in a car, you definitely wouldn't have seen it. It was just a few inches off the ground. I have photos. Clotheslined my bike. I went Superman over the handlebars, bruised up the whole side of my body, my left side of my body. I almost broke my hip, but I just have a really bad bruise in my hip. It's been 7 days, going on 8 days now. I'm on day 8, and I'm still in a lot of pain. Still taking ibuprofen 800 every 8 hours. Every time I get on and off my bike, it hurts. But so I've been fixing my bike back up after the wreck. I had to get a new tank. My old tank was leaking from those shitty bolts that they come with. So I got a 1 gallon tank with external mounting hardware. And so I video recorded whatever, the whole process of fixing my bike up. I still need to tighten my rear wheel axle, but that's been an issue. I just have to take the wheel off and tighten that nut. I just can't get anything. I don't have anything that'll fit in there. Otherwise, I wouldn't even have to take the wheel off. But I'm all right. Contacted a lawyer. I'm going to go back to that business and tell them they need to fix that. They need to raise that rope so it's visible, put a sign on it, or put some cones around it or something, because it's like a Vietnam booby trap. I told my uncle about it. He said he hit a tripwire like that in Vietnam and it fucked him up for 2 weeks. And so it's been over a week now. It's going on 2 weeks. So I decided this thing's a little bit of a rat rod, but there's not much I could do about it because it's a daily driver. So I was thinking it'd look cool since it is a rat rod, if I painted it with rhino liner, black rhino liner. But since it's my daily driver, I can't, I don't have another bike. There's a waterfall over here. So I'll just go over what happened. I went to the emergency room because first I did the video emergency room. They told me I had to go in to get x-rays. So I went in, got x-rays, and they said I'm just bruised. Nothing's broken. I think there could still be a microscopic fracture, but I don't know. Nothing they could do about it either way. But so I bruised my hip and my ribs front and back, scraped my arm. I don't think my helmet even touched the ground. Broke my headlight on my bike, broke the phone mount, spilled out all my gas, broke my fuel filter. So it could have been a lot worse. And then I had to pedal 5 miles home. It ran for maybe a mile, but the clutch was all jacked up, and the carburetor, the spark plug, got soaked in gas. And apparently it loosened my axle, so I got to fix that. I need to put new forks anyway. My forks are pretty bad. Look at that. They don't even work anymore. But I mostly just ride on the pavement. Also, when I installed the new clutch lever, or the clutch arm, I misplaced the spring, and then I found it after I was done. So I didn't put the spring back on, so this melted a little bit. So I was thinking about I could just put some exhaust sealant there or something. It's just kind of a pain in the ass to take everything apart just to put that spring on. I am digging this new gas tank. My gas tank started leaking, so it bent that bolt. So this one I sprayed a little bit of the color shift on there, just a little spray for accent. And I did a couple layers of this, but I was going in and out of the house and I kept hitting stuff with it. So it's got some crackle effect to it. It looks kind of cool. But you can see it's got parts where the paint goes all the way through. But put 2 coats of clear on it, so it is what it is. And I have a second gas cap now to... It's hard to get like a good purple effect on these. You have to get just the right lighting. It's usually blue. Man, it's windy as hell today. My bike about to get blown over again. But anyway, I'm all right. Been through some shit in my life. So yeah, I appreciate all the views, all the new subscribers, all the motorized bicycle enthusiasts. Good community. So thanks for checking out the video. Multiple people helped me out. I still have a GoFundMe up because this knocked me out for a week. I can get back to work once this cures, but it's taking forever because where I live it's humid. So probably by tomorrow that'll be cured. My hip is so fucked up though, it's hard to get on and off the bike. And I definitely gotta get a new clutch spring. I replaced everything else basically, but that spring has had it. So I just gotta order one of those. They're only $5. Smoke weed every day.